Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shanmao here. Driving is a part of our life, something that we cannot part from. We drive every day, and when we drive, we do get into troubles sometimes due to our behavior, due to other drivers' behavior, or due to something unseen or unlucky happening. When such thing happens, we better have something to show as a solid proof to police and insurance guys in order to resolve the matter in a favorable way. And for that, we should have something that is recording all the time while we drive. Lucky us, there are thousands of companies once again in China making thousands of car DVRs or dash cams, and today in this video we have one similar thing to unbox, take a look at, and install in my car and see how it works and how useful it can be. So this is a new car DVR or dash cam from one of the Chinese manufacturers. You can install it in your car and it will keep recording all the time, and it will have a solid proof for you to prove whether you were wrong or not, it was your fault or somebody else's fault, in case you get into some troubles while driving. So we will see what is new in this camera, if it is better than other thousands and thousands of cameras, DVRs, dash cam in the market or not. And we will also see how useful it is, how easy it is to use, and what are the features which are very, very useful for all the drivers who actually would buy this one. So let's take it outside the box and take a closer look at the components and the camera itself, and then we'll install it in my car and enjoy an evening drive back my home. Okay, so this is everything inside the box. We have a user manual, we have some mounting accessories, a string, I have no idea what this string for. We have a cleaning cloth, lens cleaning cloth, we have double-sided tape and mounting accessories. We have a long cable to power the camera using the power socket in your car, 12-volt power socket, or cigarette lighter. You can power it from there. Then we have a USB cable, and after that, of course, we have a camera itself and a camera powering and mounting unit, which also has a built-in GPS, I believe, because that's what the user manual says. Okay, so this was it all in the box. Now we will take a look at these two units, which are the most important one. Alright, looking at these two things, basically this is where the camera will mount, and those electrodes will connect to the pins here, and these are for the GPS, which is basically built in this box, I believe. Okay, and at the same time you can use this screw to loosen it and mount your camera at the right angle. Camera at this side itself has the cooling holes, AV plug, USB port. Okay, and we go back this side, we have a TF card slot and HDMI out. Very, very nice. We have a lens on the front, and I believe these are the microphones. All right, and on the back we have the buttons to control, so it's like up, down, and OK button, and power on, menu, and some other buttons here. So all the features of the camera will be controlled from this side. All right, so this is not it, this is just the first look at this camera. So before I end this video, let's talk about a little bit of key features of this camera, apart from all those common features that are in all DVR cameras or dashboard cameras. Now, one of the key features is the GPS data stamping on your video and pictures, and also you can show your car speed or driving speed on your videos. You can also show your registration number or plate number on the video. After that, it has, of course, motion sensor, so it has a motion detection, and that's where it has a parking guard, so you can use it as a parking guard installed in your car. Camera running, anything moves in front of your car, it will start recording a 15 seconds clip every time it detects the motion. Now, leaving the camera in a parked car in hot countries like UAE, not a good idea. Similarly, there are other countries which can get really, really hot during the summertime, so leaving the camera on while a car parked under sunshine, not a good idea. Do not do that. But unless unless if you have an underground or covered car parking, you can always do that. Okay, so apart from this, another common feature is you can download an app for Android or iOS devices and have a live view on your phone using this camera and set different features and parameters of this camera using the app on your phone. And of course it has the HDMI out and AV out, so you can actually feed a live video out to your DVD navigation system and have a bigger live view for your passengers or for anybody, or just for yourself, have a bigger live view on your DVD navigation while you're driving. So you can have a bigger live view on your DVD navigation system, depending on how big your screen. Some DVD navigations are very tiny screens actually. This one has a 1.5-inch TFT screen on the camera, so if you have a bigger screen in your DVD navigation, you can always use that. But anyway, I will be happier to use my cell phone and Android app and get a live view on that and change various features of this camera. Now, one last feature that I find was useful is the time-lapse recording. So you can actually make beautiful recording of your driving. If you have a long driving, you can make it look very beautiful by showing the flow of traffic while you're driving. And of course, you can always use this camera for a time-lapse recording. While your car is parked somewhere, you can power this camera on and record a time-lapse of your family activity around. So now the next step is for me to install the camera in my car, power it on, set it up, and see how it performs. And I'll be going back home this evening and we will be able to see night view or night driving and night recording and shooting capabilities of this camera. And of course after that we will be recording some daytime driving videos. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you very much for your continued support towards my work on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel and stay updated for all the regular video uploads. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share the link over your social sites.